Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings in your CAT S40, at first you have to go for the settings. And next, let's scroll down for sound and notification, or sorry for that misclick. Let's go back. We have to find sound and notification in this place. When we enter for that option, we can adjust volume of media, alarm and ringtone by moving the switcher on the left or the right. We can also activate vibration for calls by tapping on the switcher. Here we got the interruptions. So here we can adjust this mode. It's basically do not disturb mode. Probably you can set it up and turn it on. Here we can change the phone ringtone for SIM first and SIM second. Here we can change default notification ringtone. In this place we can find other sound settings like vibrate not touch, touch sound or screen locking sound. We can turn them off or turn them on by tapping on the switchers. And basically that's all from the settings. Below we can find only notifications. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.